Okay, so welcome back from the break. If you remembered to upload your video project to Drive before you left, then this is for you. This is how to get it back down to the system, because it's a little bit, there's a few steps to it. So let's just dive right into it. I've gone to my folder on Google Drive already where I've uploaded all my videos, my music, and my project file, those set of instructions that actually tell Premiere what to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a box, draw a box around them, right click, and I'm going to download them. And then Google will zip them up for me and download them. Yay. And there they are. Now, if by chance it doesn't zip them up very quickly and it's just sitting there doing nothing, it's okay to cancel it and try it again. Oftentimes that will solve the problem and it will download just fine. If it's still not working, just download them one at a time. But I've got mine here in my nice little zip file. So I'm opening this up. I clicked on it. I'm going to go to Compressed Folder Tools. If I try and open up this stuff, it'll kind of sort of work, but not fully work. And it's going to cause problems. So don't do it. Go to Compressed Folder Tools, hit Extract All, and just say Extract. It's going to make a new folder in my Downloads folder with all the stuff unzipped, which is what we want. Okay, and it even opened the window for me. How nice. If it didn't, I would have just found it in Downloads. You can see there's a folder with a little zipper on it, but this folder has no zipper on it. That's the one I want. So in there we go. There's all my stuff. Now, theoretically, I should be able to just double-click this Cats Video Project file, and my project will load up. And it did. Awesome. Now, you may encounter a problem where these videos, well, they look like they're in the right place, but they're going to be red and say something like media offline. And that's a problem, but it's very fixable. I'm just going to simulate that and show you how to fix it. Okay, so since the last version of Premiere, it's actually gotten a lot better at finding missing footage. But just in case you do wind up in this situation where you have this red footage and it says media offline in about 12 different languages, here's what you're going to do. This may pop up. If it doesn't pop up, all you need to do is select the stuff that's red, right-click it, and say Link Media, which is here somewhere. There it is, Link Media. And this will show up. So it's looking for these two files. I'm just going to say locate. And I know where I hit it because I hit it on my desktop. I had to put it pretty far away from Premiere before I could find it. So it's looking for Pexels Video 1481903. So let me just go find that one. There it is. So I'm going to double click that, say OK. And the locate function is smart enough to know that, oh, maybe the other one's sitting there too, and it is, so it's automatically reconnected that. So if you get that red footage, select the footage that's missing, select Link Media, go find it, and it'll find it, and then, you know, Bob's your Uncle, Fanny's your aunt. Then you're good to go. You can keep on editing, save it, and then go ahead and export it when you're done.